Welcome to the Westport Library tutorial on how to get started with Freegal on your desktop computer. We'll begin on Freegal's home page. If you are accessing Freegal from home, you will be asked to log in right away. If you are inside the library, you'll be brought to this page instead, but will still need to log in to download songs or add them to playlists. Let's click on the Log In button on the upper right. From here, simply enter the barcode number on the back of your Westport Library card and your PIN, which defaults to the last 4 digits of your phone number. Hit Log In. Now we'll be back to the home page with just a couple of differences. On the left, you'll see we have more menu options. Also, I'll draw your attention to this information at the top of the screen. Each user can download up to 5 songs per week and stream up to 8 hours of music per week. This information tells you how many downloads and how much streaming time that you have left for this week. Otherwise, you can use this page to browse. If you scroll down, you'll see recommended playlists and artists, along with any playlists put together by the library. Another way to browse is by genre. Select Genres from the menu on the left. This page allows you to select particular genres and explore within them. Next, we'll look at performing a search for when you have a particular song or artist in mind. Select the search box at the top of the screen and start typing. As you type, Freegal will give you suggestions based on what it thinks you want. If you see what you're looking for, you can select it from the drop-down. Otherwise, finish typing and hit Enter. Here are the results, starting with artists and also including songs. I want the artist, so to get to his page, I'll click inside this box. That brings us to the artist page. This shows the most popular songs. To see all of his songs available on Freegal, select View All. For now, we'll just scroll down to see more. The artist page will also include their albums, playlists they're featured on, and related recommendations. Let's scroll back up and look at what we can do with individual songs. We're going to be looking at a couple of these options. In order, they allow you to add a song to your list of favorites, add the song to your wish list, get a link to share the song, add the song to a personal playlist, and download the song. Right now, we're going to focus on the options you're likely to use the most, adding to a playlist and downloading. Let's start by adding this song to a playlist by selecting the playlist icon. If you want to add the song to a playlist you've already started in Freegal, you can select that playlist from here. Otherwise, click Create Playlist. Freegal will prompt you to name your playlist. I'll name it after the artist. To view the playlist we've just created, select My Playlists from the menu on the left. From here, we can select the playlist and see what's on it. When there's more than one song, you can sort them, shuffle them, and more. Finally, we'll look at downloading. To download a song, simply select the download icon. After the song is downloaded, the download icon will remain highlighted in red. To view your downloaded songs, select Downloads on the menu on the left. This will show all of the music that you currently have downloaded with Freegal. And now you have everything you need to get started with Freegal on desktop. If you have any questions, please visit us at the reference desk or email us at ref@westportlibrary.org.